Nowadays, in the age of the internet, there's so many different kinds of job boards, application sites. Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor are some of the leading ones. But don't simply limit your search to just applying online. Depending on your level of proficiency and experience, you can obviously apply in person if you're going for more entry level job, service, food management. Prime your network, go to the people that you know and ask them if they know that their company's hiring and if they give you a good recommendation. There's even ways for you to create jobs, going to companies and saying, hey, I see you have this problem. I see you're suffering from this pain point or you're frustrated with this issue based on what I've heard, what I've been told, what I see online, and pitch yourself for a job that way. So there's multiple ways to apply for a job that go from all the way from traditionally online with a job application to creating one yourself.